Hey everybody, we're inside Orms, and guess what? DJI are at it again with this. I mean, this is so small. Not only with this, I mean, just this week they launched another action camera as well, just to kind of go, well, we'll launch another one of those, yeah! I don't think they said it like that, but I mean, we get what they said.
I think that was German.
I think it was. This is the Avata from DJI.
You say Avata.
Avatar.
Some say Avatar.
This thing is game changing.
Yeah.
Jean, tell us a little bit about what we have here.
All right, so the Avata is obviously launched now way after the first FPV from DJI is launched. In my personal opinion, this is what the first FPV should have been.
Yeah.
This is more of a cinematic kind of drone. So you're flying in really close proximity to people, buildings, and structures, specifically more indoors. Each prop, which is a 5-blader now for more thrust, has a duct around it. So it's safer and easier to fly in close-knit areas.
Got you.
It has an amazing one-axis camera, 1-inch sensor, nice and big, 48 megapixel. It now is paired with the new goggles. It's the Goggles 2, upgrade from the Goggles V2. Lot sleeker, slimmer, small, pop-up aerials, wider angle of view, and a higher resolution. Even diopters for your eyes, depending if you're nearsighted or farsighted. Huge improvement on the goggles.
Speaking of which, they come in two different resolution sizes.
Yeah, so you can get the old goggles.
1080 or 720, yeah?
Correct, yeah. So the old goggles are 720, these are 1080. 1080, So you can pair it with the old goggles, it's a slightly cheaper bundle.
Got you. This bundle though, and I think they call it the Pro bundle because it's got the 1080.
Pro View, yeah.
The Pro View. This, in my hand, this controller, is definitely another game changer from DJI. Realizing that even those that prefer the good old-fashioned remotes are the traditionalists are going to use those. There's a whole new market of FPV drone user out there, and they've gone, how do we make life simple for them? This is it.
Yes, so motion controller was launched with a previous model, but it didn't really pick off. Because those guys are flying at 140 km an hour. I do not recommend you fly 140 kilometers an hour with said controller. This is more of a slow flight and controlled. You're basically pulling the trigger for acceleration and then tilting forward and rolling your wrist to basically smoothly control the Avata.
I've been flying it. Let me just tell you something about this. This over here with the goggles, it's like playing a game, and it's really simple to use. I think if it was any other way of controlling an FPV, and mind you, I didn't fly personally the previous FPV drone. I've only flown this, and as a first-time user of an FPV drone, it was simple. I didn't have to go and learn how to use it. Didn't have to go and go and do what do you call simulations, etc. I flew it first time. There's a couple of basics you got to kind of work out at the beginning, like for example, how to pause whatever it is you're doing. Help me, stop flight, pause. It's so simple. It's right where your thumb is. Right over there.
It's a get out of it.
Get out of it, correct. But everything about it has made life so simple. There's a small little dot in the middle of the screen, and basically that's where you're flying to. So every time you can accelerate, you're going to go towards that dot, wherever that dot is. So your basic job is to guide the dot around, and by guiding the dot around, you essentially guide the drone.
Did you try the view flight?
No, I didn't. I was a little bit nauseous after just trying to fly myself through chairs, chasing my little kids around the house and the backyard. Loads of fun. I can see how they've actually entered this recreational space for people that have never used an FPV drone. It makes perfect sense if you want to capture a different look at life. One where people are going to look at those family videos of you around Christmas time and go, how the heck did he get under Granny's legs with that drone? Now there's a thought to ponder after Christmas dinner. Folks, importantly, this is now available. It's on the shelves at Orms, and you can go and get some great help from the folks at Orms. Otherwise, online at ormsdirect.co.za. We'll be back on Pop Mechanics with some more great content. Like and subscribe.
Cheers.